Welcome everyone to the Techlog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Techlog, I will be showing you how to log in into the WhatsApp account of yours. Now to do that, you need to open the WhatsApp application that you have downloaded. Tap open the app. It will direct you to this page over here. Tap on agree and continue. Now to log in, you will need to provide your phone number. Before that, you choose your country code from here on top, and then below you type in the number, then tap on next. You will be asked whether the number you provided is correct. If it is, you tap on OK. With this, a verification code will be sent to the mobile number of yours. You need to type in that code over here. The code has been auto-detected and the verification is completed. Now that you have been logged in, it will look for any backup that you have from your WhatsApp, and with that your WhatsApp account has been logged in. So this is how you can easily log in into the WhatsApp. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Techlog YouTube channel. Thank you.